How to make an emergency SOS call on the iPhone 16 series. First, I will show you how you can use the default method as well as some additional methods that you could use. So on your iPhone, to start an emergency SOS call, what you can do is press and hold on the side button plus the volume up key or volume down key. So press and hold on either key, volume keys. So press and hold like that, or you can press and hold on the volume down key like this. And then all you have to do is swipe the emergency calls across like this to start the emergency call. So that is one method. Now the other method is to turn on some settings. So on my home page here, I go into settings and then we go down and tap on emergency SOS. In here, you can turn on call with hold and release, and you can also turn on call with 5 button presses. So in here, we can now turn on by press and hold the release button. So press on the side button and hold on the volume up or volume down keys. So either keys will work. Press and hold like this and continue to hold. And after 8 seconds, it will start to make the call. So that is one method. And the other method is you can quickly press this button. So let's say if your phone is in your pocket and you can't actually see the screen, but you can feel the buttons. So here you can quickly press on the side button 5 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it will immediately start emergency SOS. Now you can see that, you can hear that when it goes down below 4 seconds, it will start the alarm sound. If you want to make a silent call, you can do that as well. So in here, there is a settings where you can set it to silent. So here, turn on call quietly. So if this option is switch on, then you can make the emergency SOS call quietly. So you need to turn it on here in the emergency SOS settings. And that's it. After that, we can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.